is a celebration of Zodiac, my New Year. This is a Songkran at my school, and we celebrate. In this Songkran, have people, classes, each classes dances for each song, blessing dance. And for the year 2, they do fashion designing, dancing Cambodian traditional songs, showing smile that is related to Khmer's smile, playing traditional Khmer music stuff. There is drama. And some Khmer traditional games like tug of war, musical chair, and more. Okay, so I will be showing you the stuff that are traditional stuff. Okay, let's go.